Ladies and gentlemen, if you're looking to use a copy and paste feature in MindStudio, I've got you covered. I'm going to show you everything you need to know. Now, before we get started with the video, there is a link in the description to get started with MindStudio. It is an affiliate link, so if you do click on it, you'll be supporting the channel because we'll be getting a small kickback. So, without further ado, let's climb straight into it. So using the copy paste function is relatively easy in MindStudio. So you can copy and paste individual blocks just literally by selecting them, right clicking on them and clicking on copy. This will copy that block and you can actually use this in another workflow. However, you can also click down and drag over the appropriate blocks that you would like to copy. In this case, I've got all of these blocks copied, and you can right click and click on copy. You can also use the shortcut keys on your keyboard. For Windows, it'll be Control-C to copy and Control-V to paste. And if you'd open up a new blank canvas, you can right click and you can click on paste. You'll see that it will now paste in over here. You'll be able to now move it around accordingly. And if you would like to share this with team members that would be opening this on a different application, or even with MindStudio, you can paste this into a Google Doc or an Excel spreadsheet, and they'll be able to actually access this, copy the code, and use it in whatever other application they might be using.